So today I am going to show you how I wear my eyelashes. I've been getting quite a few requests on this one, so I thought I would just make a short video for you all. And yes, let's begin. So the first step that I like to do is curl my eyelashes. So just make sure you curl your lashes really well. This will help your natural lashes blend in with the false eyelashes. So once I'm done with this step, I like to apply mascara. So I'm going to take my mascara and just give it one coat of mascara. So now that we're done with that, next step is lashes. So my two favorite lashes are from PAC and the other one is from Euro Paris. These styles are quite similar. Style number 53, this is also 53, this is 53. I really like both the styles because they look very natural. And I also like style 63 from PAC. Those are quite similar to this one, but the outer corner is thicker than this one. So I will show you what I like to do. First, I'm gonna take the eyelashes and measure the length of your lash. Okay, so I like to place the lash like this without any glue, just to check if the length is okay. And make sure you don't place your eyelashes all the way inside your inner corner, because sometimes it might cause a little bit of discomfort because it'll poke your eyes inside. So make sure you apply it a little bit like from here. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut my lashes, so make sure you cut from this outer corner and not the inner corner. So this is really important, cutting the lashes according to the size of your eyes, because then if you don't, sometimes if the lashes are too long, it might make your eyes look droopy or out of shape. Like, I can't really tell, but yeah. So try to cut it according to the length of your eye. This is the glue that I like to use. This is Duo. So I'm going to take a little bit of the glue and I'm going to apply it on the lash band. Okay, so now that I have the glue on both the lashes, I'm gonna wait a little bit, just like maybe 30 seconds. Just wait for the glue to get a little bit tacky. So I like to hold it from the center of the lashes like this, okay, and I place it on the center of my eye over here, very close to the lash line, as close to the lash line as possible, and I tuck the outer corner and the inner corner. Quite simple, quite easy. You will definitely need practice, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's gonna be so easy. So this glue is gonna dry out and it's not gonna look white. So because my lashes are so straight, sometimes after applying mascara it tends to go straight again, go flat again. So what I like to do is, after I apply my eyelashes, I would just take my curler and curl both my natural and the falsies together, so it blends in together. So these lashes are super light and they look quite natural as well, so that's why I prefer these style. So this is how it looks like. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please give it a heart, and also please comment down below on what video you would like to see next. And I will see you guys again next time. Till then, take care and stay safe.